Here we will explain how to replace the linear feeder flat springs. To replace the flat springs, we need these components: M4 screws, spring washers, flat springs. Note that flat spring A is thinner than B. To replace flat spring A, slightly loosen the screws on both sides. Only one side is shown here. Insert a 2 mm thickness gauge into the gap under the body. Loosen and remove the spring to be replaced. Install the new spring. Tighten the screws. And then remove the gauge. To replace spring B, remove the cover plates on both sides and slightly loosen the screws on both sides. Only one side is shown here. Then, remove the spring to be replaced. Insert a 0.3 mm thickness gauge into the gap, ensuring the gap is important. Replace with a new spring. Tighten the screws. Remove the gauge, then reinstall the cover plates on both sides. The number and thickness of the flat springs should match the original factory settings. Use flat washers to separate the springs. Tighten the screws alternately, one by one. The linear feeder must be securely fastened to the base plate to function. It will not work if it is not mounted on the base plate.